Okay, here's a preview from
Okay,
yesterday.
so rainwater is trickling down the side of the facade. It's over there. See the black bits in here? Also on this side too. Yeah, see? I may have to do something about that one. Well, I can't reach. I can't go up the roof. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Yeah, keep going, man. Oh, it's nearly gone. This one. That's just that side. Way to go, Lance. Good thing we have one of these, eh? Alright. Okay. I can see some improvement. Excellent stuff.
Spider-Man. Okay, I'll give it to you.
The other drain.
The other drain is near the kitchen. You clean it too.
Front of the house, where? You mean my spout? Where's the other spout? Bruh.
Superman of the house. Happy Father's Day.
I'm using my obstacle course skills into good use. Aru!
The Drain Man. Spider-Man and the Drain Man. It's Lance's turn. It's Lance's turn. Lance is targeting. Where is it? The drain. Yeah, video and picture.
Okay, so the amount of mud and leaves built up through the years along the gutter was just too many. A small plant was actually growing up there.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Woohoo! No more stain.
It looks okay cleaning up 50 years worth of dirt.
Yeah. I went upstairs, Mom.
Yeah, I know. We'll have it painted during
I went up on the roof and got it from there. Also on this side, I think.
At least yung black ng metal frame na alis.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna switch it off.
And the team.
Don't touch it yet until it's
Woohoo! Good job, team. Hey! Happy today. So we finally made use of this one.
Sorry?
Did you end up clean the gutters too?
Oh no.
Okay, some pics to share of the family activity. So while the boys are out playing, mom is cooking. And that's our reward. Yummy. Healthy steamed fish, avocado, and couscous, chilies, spinach, and zucchini. Okay, bye for now. Thank you all. Bye.